Hello mga friends! Welcome sa aming channel, Bigulais Explore Canada. So this morning, nagpunta kami ng Calgary to renew our kids' passport. So ang vlog na ito ay patungkol sa paano mag-renew ng passport dito sa Canada. And since we're in Alberta, so ipapakita ko sa inyo kung saan kami nag-renew kanina at ano yung proseso na pinagdaanan namin. So basically, the same lang ang pag-renew ng adult tsaka ng kids. So, ang ginawa namin, kasi ngayon stricto na sila so they actually don't allow walk-ins anymore for passport renewal. Pero yung iba namang mga services nila, they do allow walk-ins. So, kami, ang ginawa namin, this is actually last April 11. I am gonna show you through this one ginawa namin. So nakita. Okay, so ginawa namin, this was actually last April 11. Kami ng appointment, nagpa-book kami ng appointment para sa aming dalawang anak since they will be yung kanilang passport ay mag-expire na. So, nagpa-appoint kami and then sinet namin for August 1, which naisip namin during this time medyo malaki na yung baby namin. So, enough na to travel long hours, no? So, na nasa biyahe siya. So, kaya April 11 and we set it on August 1. So, ginawa namin, we actually do this online. So, what we did, pumunta kami sa philcongencalgary.org. Since yung Calgary, yun yung pinakamalapit namin na consulate dito. So, doon kami nag-renew. So, what I did, pumunta kami doon sa kanilang website. And then, after nito, mag-appear itong page na ito. Okay? Makita ba? And, click namin yung book now. Meron dyan nakalagay. Book now. And then, once maklik mo yan, you will be led to this page. Okay, so, itong page na ito, dito mo makikita on this side, andito yung mga schedule. So far for now, andito yung August, September, October. As you would notice, meron yan siyang mga naka-black na, medyo grayish na ang kanyang color. It means na fully booked na yan. So, hindi ka na pwede na pa-appoint sa mga araw na yan. So, you may just choose any na bakante pa. And on this side naman ay yung instructions on what to do. Kung paano ka na mag-book sa kanila. So, you would notice here, yan. See that? Meron pang mga numbers, mga dates dyan na bakante pa. So, dyan mo i-click and then once you click that part, magbibigay ka ng information about yourself, your email address kasi doon sila magno-notify sa'yo. And then, so, makakapag-book ka na yan. So, actually, madali lang naman. All you have to do is just to really have booking. Dapat may appointment ka. Kasi pagpunta mo doon sa consulate, meron na silang list kung sino yung in-expect nila sa araw na yan. At kahit malayo yung lugar mo, pag nandun ka, feeling mo pwede ka mag-walk-in, pasensyahan, pero hindi talaga nila i-allow yan. They will really have to prioritize dun sa mga nakapag-book. But actually, allowed yung walang appointment only for senior citizens, mga bata na below 7 years old, at yung buntis. So, kailangan din buntis yung kanya din na passport. Hindi yung buntis siya pero sa anak niya na malaki or older than 7. So, hindi pwede yung ganun. So, yun yung basically parang mga information kung paano kami nakapag-book. Now, what I did naman, bago kami pumunta doon, talagang sinigurado ko na everything has been ready. So, I have here with me my kids' passports. So, shout out pala sa aking ate, si Naknak, for giving us this gift. So, napakaganda yung kanilang lagayan ng passport. So, this one is for Brief. So, naka-ready na rin dyan. Ito ang kanyang PR card. And then ang kanyang passport. And then kay Kenji, look at that. See? Oh, ang ganda, di ba? So, at ito ang kanyang PR card. So, masaya ako dito. Kasi ang ganda ng kanyang lagayan. So, thank you so much, Naknak. And also, syempre, ito yung pinaka-importante, ano? Ito rin. Actually, hindi ito siya talaga, no? Kasi binigyan na namin kanina. But this is just a sample. So, if you would like your, ano ba to? Yung passports, yung new passports mo, email sa yung mailbox, then you should give them itong klase na express post. So, isa din dyan, I also niready ko din ang kanilang birth certificates ng mga bata, and then a photocopy also ng kanilang birth certificates. And para sa mga parents, no, ng magre-renew yung minor, ito yung pinaka-importante. It's actually good thing na dinala ko siya. So, nung doon na ako, hinanapan ako ng aking passport. So, it's good thing na meron ako. Kasi, yun yung parang verification nila. Parang pang ano na ikaw talaga yung mother ng minor na yan. So, it's really parang a blessing na dinala ko to. Although hindi ako ang nag-renew. So, see din, no? Oh, color pink, this is mine. So, nakita niyo ang ganda-ganda. See? Kokoy. And then, ito yung aking PR card and then the passport itself. So, hinanapan nila ako nito. Meron isang family kanina na hindi talaga inalaw na mag-renew sila ng passport dahil hindi nadala ng parent nila, ng mama, ang kaniyang passport. So, sadly. And dito na din lang, ipapakita ko na rin ang kay Windsor.
I'm here.
Kenji. So, ito naman kay Windsor.
Which one is mine?
Here is yours, baby.
Yeah, I like this. My mom, mommy showed this to me. I was like, whoa.
Yeah, this is really a nice one. So, guys.
So cool.
Yeah, thank you, baby. So, basically, yun lang naman, ano. Then, mamaya, after this video, you could actually see the proceedings, yung parang buong pangyayari sa aming trip kanina sa Calgary. So, very tiring actually, especially pag may maliit ka, but the whole experience is actually very worthwhile. So guys, enjoy viewing our video.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Subscribe our channel, please. It's the Gulays Explore Canada. And next time we will be uploading more videos so you could see our activities here and the things that we do and the things that the places that we explore. So thank you so much. Subscribe our channel, please.
Yeah.